Hi, I'm Erin Stackley, NAR's Senior Policy Representative for Commercial Issues. As terms for the Paycheck Protection Program have recently been updated, I'd like to speak to you today about what some of those changes are and what they may mean to you, our NAR members, and the small business clients that our commercial practitioners work with. The PPP Flexibility Act was passed into law in June, and it makes several adjustments to the PPP loan program to make it more responsive to the needs of small businesses while still allowing them to seek forgiveness for their loans. The new program requirements changed several of the thresholds in the PPP program for loan forgiveness. Notably, it expands the period of time in which borrowers have to use their loan proceeds, known as the covered period, from 8 to 24 weeks. It also lowers the amount of the loan proceeds that must go toward payroll costs from 75% to 60% in order to qualify for full loan forgiveness. This allows businesses to allocate more of the funds for other business expenses, such as mortgage interest, rent, or utility payments, and makes it more likely that they'll be able to reopen and continue to employ those workers after the pandemic ends. Finally, it expands the term for new loans from 2 to 5 years. Borrowers with loans who received them before June 5th can speak to their lenders and request to have those loan terms extended to 5 years. Briefly, these updates to the program mean that businesses with employees have more flexibility in how they utilize their loan proceeds, that all applicants and all loan borrowers are able to use a more streamlined form if they meet certain program requirements, and that for those NAR members who are independent contractors or sole proprietors who have no employees may be eligible to claim their entire loan amount as long as they opt for that 24-week covered period on their forgiveness application. SBA lenders are still accepting PPP applications. So if you have not yet applied for the PPP loan program, either because you were confused about some of the program requirements or perhaps were concerned about the forgiveness process being too complicated, but you do need that pandemic assistance, you still have a little under a month through August 8th to make those applications under the new changes that have been created. In addition, if you're a commercial practitioner and you work with clients who may benefit from this program but they have not yet applied, share this information with them and encourage them to do so. For more information on the PPP loan program and other options from the federal government, I encourage you to check out NAR's coronavirus page. There, you can find an FAQ on the SBA loan program, as well as many other resources from NAR that we are frequently updating. Thank you and be well.